Hey, John Crestani here. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do TikTok ads, which is one of the highest ROI ways to market your business or to start a business or really to get the word out about anything you are doing online in a cost-effective manner right now. Now, I'm gonna walk you through from soup to nuts how to set your targeting, how to do the creative, what settings to do inside of TikTok ads. I'm gonna be showing you right here on my computer. Even if you don't have a business, maybe you don't have an e-commerce store, even if you're not a marketer or a marketing agency, I'm gonna show you how you can find products to sell very effectively as an affiliate and make a ton of money, which is what I've been doing with TikTok ads, and I'm really happy to share with you. But first, let's discuss a little bit about terminology here. Now, in case you're wondering, targeting, what that means is it means who are you showing your ads to? There's over 1 billion people on TikTok. How do you decide what are the right people to show your ads to? Creative, what that means is it means the ad itself. What do you actually put in the video that you will be showing to people on TikTok? What do you write as the call to action? This has a huge effect. If you do a bad creative, your advertising campaign is not gonna be effective, and I'm not gonna leave that up to chance. I'm gonna walk you through how to do that. Settings means how are you actually spending your daily budget, or how are you paying for the ads? Are you paying by a view, by a click, by a conversion? This is really important, and we'll go over this in a second. And the offer means what actual product or service are you selling? Are you trying to get leads for people interested in buying homes in your area? Maybe you're a realtor, maybe you're a plumber and you're interested in getting people, clients that want you to fix their plumbing, or maybe you're doing an affiliate offer. You're selling some sort of, like joint relief, or, a thing to help, grow your hair stronger. Whatever you're selling, I'm gonna walk you through straightforward. But first, we're gonna start actually down at number 4, right on my computer. I'm gonna show you how, if you don't even have anything to sell, how you can find stuff quickly to sell and make money from, no cost out of your pocket. Let's go. Now, in order to get started with ClickBank, you actually want to go over to this affiliates tab right here. And what you want to do is you don't want to click the start here buttons. They're going to put you into some sort of sales sequence. What you want to do is you want to click this link right here, which says join ClickBank right there. And that's actually going to get you to the login form to create an account and actually get products that will pay you commissions when you promote them. Okay. Now, here we are in ClickBank, and where you want to go to find products that you can sell and earn money from. Again, ClickBank pays you. This is a one-way street. Is you want to go up to the marketplace right here. And the marketplace, you'll just get all this, nothingness. But what you want to do is you want to click the search button, and actually you'll find the top selling products. And you'll notice a lot of them are around wellness, but the general rule of thumb is if a product has over 100 gravity score, that's good. That's a really good product to sell. And for our purposes, we are going to be using OccuPrime as the example in this, which pays over $100 for every sale you get, and it has a very high gravity score. So it means we can make a lot of money with one sale. 1 or 2 sales a day earns us a nice income, and a lot of people are selling it. So here's OccuPrime. As you see, it is a some sort of vision support formula. So great. All we do is we click promote, create a hop link, and this is our link to actually advertise. Now we have a link, and what I like to do is I like to save this link, offer link, right there on our handy dandy notepad. Now that we have a product that we're going to be selling, we go to starting the ad process, and that's setting up the targeting. Now, if we're advertising a vision support product, which is some sort of, supplement that you take and it helps your eyes see better, some sort of vitamins, we want to target people who have vision problems. Now, the first area my mind goes to is people who have vision problems are probably older, and they probably have other medical conditions, but I have an even better way of actually setting the targeting, and I'll show you right here. Now, this is a handy dandy trick that will allow your campaigns to just absolutely explode. Check this out. Here we are on TikTok, and we can actually advertise to people who are concerned about their vision. And as you see, I just typed in VisionTest right here, and we see that this is a popular hashtag, and there are videos that a lot of people are making that are trending and that have, let's see how many views some of these videos have. This video has almost 1 million likes, which means it probably has 10 million views or something. I mean, that's absolutely insane. We have, this video, which has over 500,000 likes, which means it probably has over 5 million views. This is really great stuff. It means that this is people talking about vision problems. So this is a really good targeting, and I really like this specific keyword, just vision test. Again, I tried to be as non-creative as possible here. Vision, and I just typed in vision test. So here we are going to be on our notepad, and we are going to go down targeting, hashtag vision test. So we have a product to sell. We have our targeting set, which is really basic, right? Vision product, vision test. Now we have to figure out our creative. Now you might be thinking, oh my God, John, this is the hardest part. I don't want to show my face on camera, John. I don't want to pay somebody to create videos for me. This is so complicated. Why do I have to create a video? That takes the easiness out of online marketing. Well, I'm going to show you a really, really, really easy way that you can do it, whether you don't want to be on camera or whether you're fine shooting a video. It's so simple. This is the key to making this all work. Remember, marketing is like a key. If you have one of the 4 things wrong, the door will not unlock. You need all 4 pieces to be congruent and to work together, and you will unlock the door to massive amounts of money in your life. We need this all congruent, so let's focus on the creative. Let's go. Now here we have a video that is about a vision test, and this is a video that has almost 100,000 likes, which means probably about 1 million views. This is fantastic. And what we can do is we can either recreate this video ourselves, because we know this video works. We know that people are watching this video. We know that people are sharing and commenting and liking this video about a vision test. So what we do is we either recreate this ourselves, and all you have to do is write down the words of what he says for 45 seconds and shoot this video yourself. Or the second option is you can go to a place like Fiverr and pay somebody to do this video for you. Now here we are, and if you want somebody to do a video for you, you can just click one of these sections: social media videos. You can type in corporate videos, spokesperson videos. Any of these sections will give you people that will willing to do videos for you. But here we have a good example of
comparing insurance rates is boring.
Okay. Sorry, way too loud. But 20 bucks will get us a video from this gal right here that we can use in our TikTok ads. So whether you actually just do it yourself and do it the fast way, or whether you actually just pay somebody to do this video for you, either way, you're going to get the desired creative. Now let's move on to actually setting up the ads themselves. So here we are on TikTok ads, okay? I already logged in and all that stuff, but what we want to do here is we want to go over to this section, which says create an ad, okay? See that right over there? We have create an ad, and we're gonna click create an ad, and we're gonna get this screen, okay? Now, this will change. Keep in mind, as this video ages, this will all change. But for our purposes, we'll just say traffic. Again, don't worry too much about, well, I actually want to get, website conversions or leads. Let's just start with traffic. The first part in marketing, just like the first part in dating, is just getting started. If you don't go out, if you don't throw yourself in the ring, if you don't leave your house, you're not going to get a lot of dates, right? You're not gonna go on any dates. So we'll type in here, OccuPrime test. Doesn't really matter what you write here. And special ad categories, we don't have any special ad categories. And here we go. So the next step in setting up ads is the ad group right here, which is the step that we are on. Notice that it lists out all the different steps of creating an ad, and we're gonna go through all of them. So the first thing is, I'll just VisionTest, right? Doesn't really matter what you put there, but we're going to select website because we are sending folks to a website, right? And then we are going to go down to select placement. We do not want TikTok actually figuring out stuff all on their own. Now, this is really important. You want to get rid of Pangle, okay? Get rid of Pangle. This is going to waste your money. This is going to waste your spend. You don't want to be on Pangle, okay? Notice they kind of sneak that in there if you allow automated settings. And this is similar for many ad networks. They're going to find a way to not get you what you want. Now, here we are in select targeting mode. Now, I encourage you, depending on what you're advertising, right, to always include Canada and perhaps include other. If you're selling a product that can be shown worldwide or sold worldwide, I would also encourage you to include places like Australia or United Kingdom or whatever else is available. But for now, we'll just leave it at this, okay? Now, in our case, I'm not going to select any gender. What I am going to do is, because I suspect from over a decade in marketing that the audience that has vision problems is older, right? I'm going to get rid of these young people that likely aren't going to buy, and I'm just going to select the sort of folks over 45 to sell this to. Now, here's where we get into the real stuff, okay? Now, this is how we target. Again, we are targeting VisionTest or something around vision. So let's look that up. So they don't have VisionTest, but we have hashtag vision. And we're gonna look up hashtag I, and we're gonna kind of scroll down to see if we have some of the eye test things in here. Hashtag I. So let's see this. Eyebrow, eye mask, eye cream, eye makeup, eyes problem. See, there we go. I like this targeting. And again, not every hashtag is going to have, you know, like VisionTest, not every hashtag is going to have the perfect thing, but we want to target the top, we want to recreate the top videos for the hashtags that we are advertising on, and it just makes it easier on us, okay? So now we have our targeting set. We have our daily budget. Now, the minimum daily budget you can do is $20, okay? Now we're gonna go down here. We're gonna see what's next. We set a daily budget of 20 bucks. We go next. Now, because I'm being extremely lazy, but I still wanna create an ad that works, what I'm doing is I'm literally just going to use one of the top videos for this hashtag. And, oh, I already uploaded this video. So great. So we're just gonna choose this video from our library, okay? So we're just gonna use this VisionTest video, and we're just gonna confirm. And we already know this video works on the hashtags that we are targeting. So that is fantastic. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna insert our URL. Now, keep in mind, when people click on this URL and when they buy, you will get paid 130 bucks, or whoever's ClickBank account it is will get paid 130 bucks. Okay, this is fantastic. This is a great way to make money. This is how I made my first $10 million. This is how I made my first $1 million working for myself. This is why I've been able to afford a great quality of life, because I've been able to tap into selling products online and knowing how it works. And this is the most hardest technical part, because it scares people, these weird looking links that track people and whatnot. But this is how it works. Now, big warning here, okay? Most ad networks do not like raw affiliate links. Oftentimes you will get banned by using a raw affiliate link. Also, it is not as effective as using a landing page to send people to that has more information about the product or service that you are selling if you are doing this as an affiliate. What I suggest is that you get a website builder like ClickFunnels, or you join a coaching and training program and get our software, my own coaching and training program, because we have software included that creates landing pages specifically for this offer, as well as 50 or 60 other top converting ClickBank and Digistore products. Okay, by using a landing page, you are getting rid of the redirects that these ad networks hate. Okay, you are getting rid of all these weird tracking parameters that Google, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ads hate. And you will increase your chances of success and also avoid getting some sort of like account ban or account suspension from Google, TikTok, or Facebook. So I just encourage you, create your own landing page or sign up for a coaching program that includes software that has landing pages ready for you when you're going to promote. Now, with that being said, I highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I come out with lots of videos on marketing. I've made over $20 million marketing products on the internet for myself. And that's afforded me to live on a 3-acre ranch in Malibu, be a single dad that supports his family very well, to live a life racing around Lamborghinis in the desert and just go on vacations anytime I want, never have to worry about what the cost of a product or a service is. That's life. I'm overlooking the Malibu Creek right now. I have an Indian monument that I'm facing over the mountain. It's incredible. And you can create an income for yourself very sustainably too if you get good at these marketing skills and you are able to sell products for yourself or for other people, whether you're working with clients or whatnot, or whether you just want to move up in a marketing related career. I highly encourage you, subscribe to my channel, watch through my videos, and understand what it takes to make money on the internet using advertising and posting social media posts. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Have a great day.